You want to be able to download Canvas app on your cell phone. So generally what you have to do is go either to iTunes, where you'll see a icon like this and you can download Canvas for free, or if you're on Google Play, the Canvas app will look like that. And if you just put it in the search bar, it will show up. So the first thing you want to do is just click on the Canvas app, and for you will be going to click on the icon that says CTE Basic Skills, and you'll come up to the home screen and you want to click on Home, and it will give you the CTE Basic Skills modules. And you want to start with the Getting Started module. A module is just a set of lessons to practice. So you look through the introduction and the other instructional videos here. You'll then click on the module group that you're most interested in. So you go back to modules, and let's look at the first module, which is fractions, and it says Introduction. So you can click on the introduction and read through it. Then you can click on the next tab, which is in the lower left hand corner here, and you click on that, and it will give you a fractions pretest, and you would like to click on the fractions test, and you click through each answer. So let's say you'd be taking the quiz for the first time. And it loads up the questions. So you go through each question, click on the answer you want, and it goes all the way down to 20 questions. So you just keep scrolling down with your finger all the way to the end, and once you've answered the questions, then push the submit button and you will be able to know what your score was. In this case, we'll just go back. So you basically would take the pretest to see how you do. And then in each module there'll be a section. And so we would basically start with the first module, which is instruction, and it gives you information. Once you click on the video, it's a good time to turn your screen lengthways so you can see more of the video screen. So if you look at it, we go through the first video and you have to scroll up the page and you click on Fractions Basic and it will show you the video. And it's a good idea to just turn your phone the other way, and that way you can see more of the screen as it's going through the video practice. And then you could also click on what's called the next button down here to go to the next video. And it'll show you each video and you can go to them. Now, it's a good idea, once you come to a screen that says Khan Online Practice, you want to click on the link so you can practice what you have learned by going to the Khan Academy site. So you'll see a little link down here and you click on that. And now you'll leave Canvas and you're now going to the Khan Academy site. It's a good idea to have a Khan Academy account. You can use the video you can view the video about enrolling in Khan Academy. Most students will just use their Hartnell ID and Google account, and it helps you to view your progress. Once you link to the Khan practice, you can scroll down to the screen to answer the questions. So once you have chosen a question, you click on the answer that you think is right. Sometimes you'll have more than one answer to select, but then you touch the check button and it will check your progress. And it will tell you if you got the answer right or not. Generally, you'll need to get 5 questions in a row to go to the next practice session. So then you click on the next question and it will help you look through and give you a question, and then you have to answer it. Now, if you get stuck, you can view additional videos here, and it'll show you a couple more videos you can view, or you can still get stuck. You can get a hint for the problem. So it will give you a little clue and a hint on how to work on each part. And so it's a good idea, if you don't know the answer, to go and try and get a hint. Okay, if you miss the answer, then you'll have to go back and do it again. Okay, so you go on to the next question, and if you miss the answer, it'll say try again, and you keep trying. And then after you finish all those, it'll show you the summary, and then you can click on to the next section, and you go on to the next video sequence. Okay? So once you finish a module, you can practice all of them in that certain area, or you can go to a new module in terms of this is related to fractions. Obviously, there are a lot of fractions modules, but you can go to decimals, you can go to converting fractions, and you can go to percentages and unit conversion. So there's a lot of materials here that you can practice. So if you're ready to get started, you can start using the Canvas app once you have it loaded on your phone. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, please send an email to ctebasicskills-user@gmail.com. So get started.